Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how the term infinite yield is understood in the context of Roblox Mobile. It's important to know that infinite yield typically refers to an unauthorized exploit, not a legitimate feature. Roblox actively works to prevent such activities, ensuring a fair and secure experience for its millions of players. Attempting to use these methods goes against the platform's terms of service, which are in place to protect everyone. Attempting to use exploits like infinite yield carries significant risks. Your Roblox account could face serious consequences, ranging from a temporary suspension to a permanent ban, meaning you'd lose all your progress and items. Furthermore, downloading or using unauthorized third-party software can expose your mobile device to security threats, potentially compromising your personal data. It's simply not worth the risk for a fleeting, unauthorized advantage. Instead of seeking exploits, focus on the many legitimate and fun ways to enjoy Roblox. You can earn in-game currency, unlock special items, and progress through games by playing them as intended. Many developers offer exciting challenges and events that reward players fairly. Supporting your favorite creators through official Robux purchases or game passes helps them continue making amazing experiences for everyone to enjoy. To ensure a safe and enjoyable Roblox experience, always adhere to best practices. Only download the official Roblox application from trusted sources like the App Store or Google Play. If you ever encounter suspicious activity or potential exploits, report them directly to Roblox support. They have dedicated teams to investigate. Finally, protect your account with a strong, unique password and enable two-step verification for an extra layer of security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.